students, कैसे हो? I think whatever has been taught to you, you have looked at it very much sincerely and you have been following all the steps shown to you, all the instructions, all the guidances which are provided to you. You have been following and accordingly you are proceeding. So children, I will continue with the quadratic equation once again. The remaining problems of this exercise is 4.3. So we will proceed with the remaining problems of this exercise. So here also there are a number of problems. So I have selected that alternate problems I will be taking and the remaining problems you have to solve by your own. If there is any difficulty, we will look at it later on. If you are giving some comment in the comment section of the video, then I will take up those problems also. Anyway, so question number 7 we will attempt. I would like all of you to give your comment in the comment section of the video, and without fail, without forgetting, you will give your comment, and accordingly I will plan and I would like to give you the best to all of you. So the difference of a square of two numbers is 180. The square of a smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Find the two numbers. So two numbers we will select. One is larger, one another is smaller. Let the larger number is equal to x, right? And then the smaller number, therefore the smaller number, not therefore, and let the smaller number is equal to 1. Two different numbers I have selected, one larger, one smaller, so that formation of equation will be easier. Then we will bring only one variable because conditions are given in that accordance. So one number I have selected as x, another number is y. Y is smaller than the x. So the difference of the squares of these two numbers. So one number is this, another is this. This is bigger. Therefore, according to the condition given, x square minus y square is equal to 180. See what is given? The difference of the square of two numbers. Naturally, bigger number square minus smaller number square, difference of these two is 180 given. Second condition, the square of a smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Here it is important, it is written the larger number, not the square of larger number. So square of a smaller number, which number is smaller? That is y. So therefore we will write y square is equal to how much? 8 times the larger number. Larger number is x, so this is equal to 8x. See, looking at this statement and formulation, considering the variables, I am converting the statement into mathematical form. This is important. Word problem, convert into the numerical and variable combination of these two. We have formed equations, and after equations are formed, solution is the regular method of solving the question. So here x and y is required, so two equations are there, so we can very well solve. If we add these two, then y square will go, or either way we can say that is suppose first equation, this is second equation. There are many ways to solve the equations, isn't it? So either we put y square is equal to 8x in this equation, we will get one equation with only one variable, or simply we add, we will get the same result. So we can write substituting y square is equal to 8x in equation 1. Put the value of y square, that is 8x, in equation 1. Therefore, x square minus 8x is equal to 180. You see, we assume two variables, x and y, and we landed with only equation with only one variable, right? Therefore, this can further be written as x square minus 8x minus 180, that is equal to 0. So what did we get? 80 is a quadratic equation, isn't it? So x square minus 8x is equal to 180. Highest power on the variable is 2. Power on this is 1. Power on this variable is 2. The highest power on the variable is 2. That is why it is a quadratic equation. So method of solving the quadratic equation is known. Number of methods we have studied. Factorization method, completing square method, as well as the formula method. Any one of these three methods can be applied over here to find the value of x. Once the x is known, then accordingly we can find the value of y. First we will try by the factorization method. So we will factorize 180. We want 8. And it is product if you are taking minus 180x square. So sum should be minus 8. So we can take 18 and 10. So factorization is to be done. So that is minus 180x square. These two are this is to be factorized in two factors such that sum will be minus 8. So with these factors we will get 18x and 10x. Product will be 180, but it is negative and the sum is also negative. It means bigger number should be negative. So I will write minus 18 and plus 10x. These two are the factors. Use the factors and get the answer. Therefore, this can further be written as x square minus 18x plus 10x minus 180, that is equal to 0. So two terms we will be taking, and taking x common from this, it is x minus 18 plus taking 10 common over here, x minus 18, that is equal to 0. Now this much is clear. So here again, out of these two terms, what is common? X minus 18 is common in both, in this as well as in this. So we can take x minus 18 common. So we can write like this. Therefore, x minus 18 into x plus 10, that is equal to 0. Right? So how did we start? We started from here, assuming the numbers. So finally we reached up to the two factors. Right? X minus 18 and x plus 10. And product of this is 0. Then either this will be 0 or this factor will be 0. Either of these two has to be 0, then only product will be 0. Therefore, we can further write x minus 18. X minus 18 is equal to 0 or x plus 10 is equal to 0. So this implies x is equal to 18 and this implies x is equal to minus 10. So two numbers are known. So we have either of these two we can take. If it is 18, then what will be y? That you look at. So two numbers, and accordingly we can find the value of y. If x is equal to 18, then y is equal to, how will you find y? X is equal to 18 if you are putting 18 into 8, right? And we will get y square. Then y square is equal to 8 into 18. So we can multiply this, and this can be written as 9 into 2, 16. 16 into 9 we can write. Because it is 9 into 2, 2 can be taken with 8, 16 into 9. Why did I write in this way? Because square root of both are known. Square root of 16 is 4, square root of 9 is 3. So this can be written as, therefore, y is equal to under root 16 into 9, that is 4 into 3, that is 12. So, of course, it is plus minus 12. Both the numbers will come, plus and minus both. So, if x is 18, then y is 12. If x is minus 10, then what will the value of y that we will look at. Therefore, the numbers are x is equal to 18 and y is equal to 12. This is the answer. Question arises in your mind, x is minus 10 also. There are two possibilities, 18 and 10, minus 10. So for this, the equation is getting satisfied. So this answer is correct. If you are taking x is equal to minus 10, why can't it be this result also? X is equal to minus 10 if you are putting over here, right? If it is minus 10, then it will be minus 80. Y square is equal to minus 80. So you will never get square of any number to be negative. That is why this answer is not possible. This is not possible. Because condition is this, y square is equal to 8x. If you are taking x is equal to minus 10, so it will be minus 80. And square of any number, whether it is positive or negative, it will always be positive. That is why x is equal to minus 10 is not possible. So we cannot take solution of this equation as x is equal to minus 10. So two numbers we got, x is equal to 18 and y is equal to 12, means larger number is 18, smaller number is y. This is the answer. So children, in this problem, it is very good problem. One concept is being used in such problems where two taps are there, both are open, tank is getting filled, then how much time it will take for one tap to fill the tank completely by the other, and this kind of problem. Here what we are supposed to do, that how much time, means what part of the tank is filled in 1 hour, right? In 1 hour, if one tap is opened, in 1 hour what part of the tank will be filled? If the second one is separately opened, then in 1 hour what part of that will be filled? It means both are open together. Then in 1 hour some of the total volume of the tank will be filled. That is the concept behind it. So that we will apply over here, right? So if both are open, then it takes 9 3/8 hours. So solution will be like this. Try to understand the concept. Time taken by both the taps, open together to fill the tank is equal to how much? 9 3/8 hours. That is equal to how much? 9 8 are 72 and plus 3, 75/8 hours. Means how much time does it take to fill one tank completely is 75/8 hours, right? So in 1 hour, what part of the tank will be filled, right? So therefore, it is simply unitary method, right? So 75/8 hours, one tank is filled, right? Then 1 hour, how much will be filled? How much means what part of the tank will be filled? Therefore, the part of tank filled in 1 hour is equal to 1 upon 75/8, that is equal to 8 upon 75 part. Means one complete part was filled in 75/8 hours. So in 1 hour, 1 upon 75/8 part will be filled. Simply unitary method, you see, we can write like this. Understand. इसको समझो अच्छा से, ये बात समझ में आ गई तो आगे जितने भी प्रॉब्लम आएंगे आप आराम से कर लोगे. Means we will write the unitary method. 75 by 8 hours are taken to fill one tank. One complete, I am talking about the volume of the tank, right? Therefore, 1 hour, how much part will be filled? That is 1 upon 75 by 8. That here we are talking about the volume is equal to 8 upon 75 part. One tank means complete part. Complete part. When we talk about one tank means complete, full, right? And in 1 hour, this much part will be filled. Say in 1 hour, this much part is getting filled. Now, we will do some assumptions now. Let the bigger tap of larger diameter, let the bigger tap takes time to fill the tank completely is equal to X hours. It takes X hours to fill the tank completely. Therefore, the part of tank filled in 1 hour is equal to 1 by X part. Got it? In a similar manner, right? In X hour, it is getting completely filled. If bigger tap is running and in X hour it is getting completely filled, so in 1 hour, what part of the tank will be filled? That is 1 by X, that I mentioned. Similarly, this is first. Similarly, let the smaller tap takes time to fill the tank completely is equal to Y hours. Bigger one, it took X hour, smaller one took Y hours. Therefore, the part of tank filled in 1 hour is equal to how much? 1 by Y part. Their question lies. In 1 hour, suppose both are open together. If both are open together, right? Then in 1 hour, this much part will be filled by the bigger one, and in 1 hour, this much part will be filled by the smaller one. If we are both the part we are adding, that must be equal to that much, because both are opened and this much part is filled in 1 hour, right? Therefore 1 by X plus 1 by Y, that is equal to 8 upon 75. That is the first part, important one. Second part, the larger tap with the larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one. So time taken, if separately they are open, so time taken by the bigger tank, it is X hours, means that will definitely be less, and by smaller one it is Y. Then what is given? And Y minus X is equal to 10. So from equation number 2 we will find the value of Y and we will put in 1. Therefore from 2, Y is equal to X plus 10. I have transferred X on this side, say X plus 10 is Y. and we will substitute this value in this. Therefore, from 1 by x plus 1 upon x plus 10, that is equal to 8 upon 75. Therefore, taking LCM, x into x plus 10, this product will be divided by x, we will get x plus 10 over here, and plus this will be divided by this, x we will get, and x will be multiplied with this one, that is x, that is equal to 8 upon 75. Further simplification, that is 2x plus 10 upon x, x plus 10, that is equal to 8 upon 75. By cross multiplication we will do, we will multiply this, therefore 75 2x plus 10, that is equal to 8x x plus 10. So cancellation etc. we can do. If you want, we can take 2 common from this, right? Therefore 2 into 75, that is x plus 5, that is equal to 8x x plus 10. So 2, it will 4 times it will go. So further simplification we can do. Therefore, that is 75 x plus 5, that is equal to 4x. Multiply with this part. That is, it is 4x. 4. That is 4x square plus 40x. 4x multiplied by x, that is 4x square. 4x multiplied by 10, that is 40x. Therefore, further simplification, that is 75x plus, multiply this by 5, 37 is equal to 4x square plus 40x. Therefore, take all those quantities on right hand side, you will get 4x square plus 40x, right, minus 75x minus 375, that is equal to 0. Therefore, 4x square minus 35x minus 375, that is equal to 0. Now see, we started from 2 variables and we have got an equation in one variable, that is the quadratic equation. Highest power on the variable is 2, that is why it is quadratic equation. Now we will solve this quadratic equation and find the value of x and y. Minus 375 into 4x square. This is to be separated. So I have taken 375 into 4, 375 into 4. Factorization we have done, we have got this. So 2 factors. Since sum is minus 35 and product is also negative, so bigger number has to be negative in this case. So factors are 60x and 25x. So this will be negative and this will be positive. This you can see the product of these two, because 25 and all these we will take together, that is 60. 60 and 25. Product will be this much, right? And since it is a negative, bigger number I have taken negative. So sum of these two is minus 35, right? So this can be separated in that form. Therefore, 4x square minus 60x plus 25x minus 375, that is equal to 0. So how much we will take common from this? Therefore, 4x can be taken common. So we get x minus 15, isn't it? So plus 25 we can take common, x minus 15 it will be. If you multiply 50 by 25, it will be 375. Out of these two, x minus 15 is common, so you get x minus 15, that is 4x plus 25, that is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 15 is equal to 0, or 4x minus 25 plus 25 is equal to 0. So this implies x is equal to 15 and this implies x is equal to minus 25 by 4. So x, what is x? Time taken by the tap of larger diameter. So this cannot be, time cannot be negative. So this is the right answer for the time taken by the larger tap with the larger diameter, and therefore y is equal to how much? X plus 10. That is equal to x plus 10, that is 15. 15 plus 10, that is equal to 25 hours. So this and this is the answer. The time taken by the tap with larger diameter is 15 hours, and the time taken by the tap of the smaller diameter is 25 hours if they are opened separately to fill up the tank. So this way, this is the procedure. An important thing about which I have been telling since beginning, that in such cases we will see the amount of water coming in 1 hour, right? In 1 hour, how much water is coming, means what portion of the tank is getting filled. Portion means I am talking about the volume of the tank, right? So that we did, and accordingly got the answer. That is the solution. Very good problem is this. Such cases should be understood well, and accordingly perception should be made, and try to solve more number of problems of this type. If time permits, I will take more number of problems of this kind, and you will having more practice of it. Okay, so I will go for the next problem. So as I told you, I will be taking alternate questions. I had taken question number 9, then I will take question number 11. Sum of areas of two squares is 468 meter square. If the difference of their perimeter is 24 meter, find the side of two squares. See, suppose two squares are there. Conceptually you understand. This is x, this is x. It is square, and this is y, and this is y. This is also a square, right? These two squares are there. Suppose this is A and this is B. So you will write area of square A is equal to how much? X into x, that is x square. Area of square B, that is y square. In similar manner, side is y, that is y square, right? So what is given? Sum of the areas is areas of two squares is 468. From the statement we can make an equation: x square plus y square is equal to 468. Equation number 1. Clear? First part is over. Second part, if difference of their perimeter is 24. So if have perimeter of A, that is perimeter of square A is equal to how much? What is perimeter? Sum of the lengths of the sides is called the perimeter. X plus x plus x plus x, that is 4x. Similarly, perimeter of square B is equal to 4y. Given the difference means bigger square, smaller square, so we will get difference is 4x minus 4y, that is equal to 24. Equation number 2. Over. From the statement, we converted this in the form of equations. Problem is solved. You have got the solution. Got the solution or not? You have to attempt further. You have to construct only one equation, and that you have to solve. Equation with only one variable. We have taken two variables, x and y. In fact, you can solve this and this. Two equations are there, two variables are there. You can get the solution. But okay, we will convert this since it is a question of quadratic equation. Then if you convert these two equations in an equation of only one variable, and it will definitely be quadratic equation. Let us see. So from this you can take 4 common, x minus y is equal to 24. Therefore 4 6 times will go. So x minus y is equal to 6 will go. From this we can find the value of x. So x is equal to y plus 6. Suppose equation number from 1 and 3. 1 is this, 3 is this, x is this much. So in place of x I will write y plus 6. So y plus 6 whole square plus y square is equal to 468. Squaring. Therefore if you square this, y square plus 12y plus 36 plus y square is equal to 468. Further simplification, we will start from here. That is y square plus y square. That is therefore 2y square plus 12y plus 36 minus 468. That is equal to 0. Therefore 2y square plus 12y, if you 36 minus 468, so you will get minus 432. That is equal to 0. So we can take 2 common from this also, isn't it? So 2 common if you take, we will get y square plus 6y minus 2 to the 4, 2 and the 2, 6 are 12 is equal to 0. Therefore 2 is not 0. This part of this equation, the product 2 into this is equal to 0. 2 is not equal to 0. This will be 0, isn't it? So we can write y square plus 6y minus 216, that is equal to 0. A factorization method. Let's see whether we can do it or not. So factorize minus 216y square means factors will be one positive, one negative. Sum is positive means out of these two numbers, bigger number will be positive and the smaller number will be negative. So you will factorize this, means minus 216y square, 2 factors. So factors of 216 is this. So out of so many factors I have converted this into 2 factors, that is 9 into 2, that is 18 and 12. 18 and 12, these two are factors. If this is positive and this is negative, as I said, bigger number has to be positive because sum is positive over here. Sum is positive. So 2 factors are these. So therefore y square plus 18y minus 12y minus 216, that is equal to 0. So from these two something is common. So y is common over here. So y plus 12 minus 12 is common. Y plus, it is 18 of course, plus 18, that is equal to 0. So therefore y plus 18 and y minus 12, that is equal to 0. 2 factors, y plus 18 and y minus 12. Product is 0. Therefore y plus 18 is equal to 0 or y minus 12 is equal to 0. This implies y is equal to minus 18 and this implies y is equal to 12. This cannot be the answer because length cannot be negative, then y is 12. If y is 12, then what is x? We can find the value over here. If y is equal to 12, then x is equal to 12 plus 6. That is 12 plus 6, that is equal to 18. Therefore answer is sides x is equal to 18 and y is equal to 12. This is the answer. So method is known, method is nicely understood and concept is clear. I hope you will be able to solve number of problems. So I have been emphasizing on the concept. Concept is more important than the solution. If one problem with certain concept you have understood, number of problems can be solved. I hope it's clear to you and you will be doing in that accordance. So wish you all the best. Take care of you and consistent study is expected, and you will go on working on it. All the best.